Okay, this is example 9 from our notes, taking a power rule with a quotient rule embedded. Alright, let's get started. They gave us y, so let's find y prime. Okay, so I'm going to take the derivative of the outside, I'm going to throw the 2 in front, leave the inside guy alone. Subtract 1 from the exponent, so I'll just leave it like that. And now here comes the tricky part. Okay, quotient rule. Big old division bar. Square the denominator and put it here. Okay, take the derivative of the other function, which is just the 3, minus, okay, leave the top guy alone, and then take the derivative of the one you have it. Okay, so that's pretty much it. We just have to clean it up. Okay, leave that alone for now. Plus 3, okay. Again, over here, leave the denominator alone. Okay, and clean up the top. Let's see, that'll be a 3x squared plus 9. Be really careful with this minus sign here, so I'm going to get a minus 6x squared plus 2x. And you got to be a little bit careful there. You could use a big old division, big old parentheses if you want to. Just make sure you distribute that negative correctly. And that's good enough right here. So let's see, if I multiply the bottom, I'll just get x squared plus 3 cubed, okay? And then up top, I'll get 2 times 3x minus 1 times, let's see, that'll be a negative 3x squared. What else we got? A 2x plus 9. And I guess we could distribute all that out if we wanted to, but they haven't asked us, the question doesn't ask us really to find anything with this derivative. They just wanted us to find it. So you could probably leave it like that. You might want to be careful because there could be questions out there that say once you find a derivative, you want to find the x where f prime of x is equal to 0. We talk about that being the tangent line where the slope is 0, so it's a horizontal line. And the other thing you could ask about this question is when is the function undefined? And in this particular question, we're okay because you pretty much want to know when the denominator, whatever function is down there, you want to know when g of x is not equal to 0. In this case here, if we take x squared plus 3 cubed and set it not equal to 0, because that's the x we want to know, where it's undefined for which x's. You could take the cube root of both sides, and you would see that we're trying to take the square root of a negative number. So we're only dealing with the reals in this case. So there's this function is defined for all real numbers, because there's no number I can put in there that would make the denominator 0. Okay, that's a good add-on to this question. It's not so interesting though when the plus sign is here. If I had a minus sign, we could see something else where this function is undefined. And if you're really curious, you can graph this thing, and just take a minute to type it in and see for yourself that there's no there's no asymptotes there where the function is not defined. Okay, hope that helped.